Okay, so we're working some problems here. First one is 4 cosine squared theta equals 2. So we want to solve for this theta. So we have to get the theta by itself. We'll divide by 4. Cosine squared theta equals 1/2. So we want to get rid of the squared, so we'll take the square root of both sides. The square root of cosine squared theta is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1/2. We do the plus or minus because we have a variable that we are taking the square root of, so we look at both the positive and the negative of the constant term. So this is cosine of theta equals plus or minus, and that's like saying square root of 1 over square root of 2, which is plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2. And if you rationalize the denominator, this is where it's going to look like something you probably have seen before. It's square root of 2 over 2. So hopefully you've memorized your chart and your table of values for your cosine, sine, and tangent at least. And so we're looking for cosine of theta being equal to the square root of 2 over 2, where 0 is less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. And that's going to be at pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. And then we want to find out where cosine of theta is negative square root of 2 over 2. So 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. So on that interval, and this occurs when theta is 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. So these and these are the solution to that equation. Let me make that equation true. Now another question that came up is 2 sine of theta equals 1. And again, 0 is less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. So we want to solve for the theta. So we'll divide by the 2. You have sine of theta equals 1/2. And we're looking for where is sine of theta 1/2, or I guess we could do it this way too. Theta is sine inverse or arc sine of 1/2. And again, if you looked in your table of values, or you memorized it, theta would have to be pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Oh, is that a negative one? I think it was a negative one. So let me go back. I think there's a negative one. I'm looking at my notes. This is a negative 1, negative 1/2. So here, I'll erase these. So where's it going to be? A negative 1/2. That's going to be at 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Okay, hope that helps.